Hi, Miles. I know you like trains, so I thought I'd show you the one that I take to work. Here it comes. There's something special about this train I want to show you. So let's skip to the end. On this train, not only does the engine push the cars all the way to New York City, but it actually does it going backwards. I'll tell you why later on. But first, let's go get a seat. Give our ticket to the conductor, and away we go. Most of the trip is along the Hudson River. Sometimes it looks small. Sometimes it looks pretty big, almost like a lake. Sometimes it's frozen. And sometimes you can't even see it at all. I see lots of big ships on the river. And I mean lots and lots and lots of big ships. I also see lots of bridges on the river. And I mean lots and lots and lots of bridges. This one's brand new. I think they're still building it. It's so big that they had to find the largest floating crane in America just to build it. Along the way, we pass a rock crushing plant. This is where they make concrete and cement. You have to ask your dad about that. We also pass an old burned out castle on an island. You have to ask your mom about that one. And of course, we pass the mountain where the Storm King lives. I bet you didn't know that. And of course, because we're on the river, we see lots of boats. And again, we see lots and lots and lots of boats. We also see lots of trains. This one's trying to pass us. I wonder where they're going. Probably the same place I am. See you there. Finally, we do get to New York City, just like I pictured it. It looks like they're putting a new building here. I wonder what it's going to be. And finally, the train goes into the tunnel that's going to take us into Grand Central Terminal.
Okay, this is final stop, arriving upper level track 37. Take this time, make sure you have all your personal belongings before you exit the train. Everyone have a nice day.
Oh, and by the way, when the train comes back from New York City, the engine's in front, going forward, pulling all the cars behind it like it should.